everybody. Welcome to this webcast series, post OpenWorld Cloud Platform Highlights. My name is Kevin Lee. I work in the product management team for Fusion Middleware and Cloud Platform. Today, we have our specialist, Flavius Sana, who is product management, responsible engaging our partners on documents as well as sites. So today we will do a lot of technical highlights regarding some of these updates being presented at OpenWorld. So Flavius, can you click on the next slide, please?
Yes, 1 second.
Thank you. So just repeating that we've been doing this since 2 weeks ago, right after OpenWorld. We are presenting highlights at the beginning. We have also WebLogic and Java platform integration and mobile last week. And this week we will cover document and site cloud services. And Thursday we will be covering the PaaS and SaaS working together. So just to give a highlight what has been announced at OpenWorld. So you can see on the slide deck, there's going to be a lot of announcement and product available. So by end of this fiscal year 16 from Oracle, May 2016, we will have about 33 PaaS components from Oracle. So you can see that the PaaS platform from Oracle is getting richer, and a lot of customers are adopting our PaaS. So there's tons of opportunities for our partners. Today we're going to cover content and collaboration. Will be delivered by my colleague Flavius, and he will give us a highlights what has been announced at OpenWorld. So, Flavius, over to you. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Kevin. So welcome everybody to this webcast. My plan for today is to show you the new things that were added to the Oracle Documents Cloud Service, to the platform for enterprise file synchronization and sharing. And I will show you these highlights, the highlights actually in 3 categories. So there were new elements added in the release 5 for Documents Cloud Service that are enhancing the capabilities for file sharing, for synchronization, and for enterprise collaboration. Also, new features were added in the area of hybrid enterprise content management. You will see later that now it's possible to integrate Web Center content with Document Cloud Service. And also we have an integration for Document Cloud Service with Enterprise Capture. So you can directly save the documents that you are capturing, that you are scanning using Enterprise Capture with the Documents Cloud Service. Also, I will go through the enhancements that were added in the development platform for Documents Cloud Service. So you will see that we have new APIs, new REST API for integrating better Document Cloud Service with other applications. So let's start with the new features that are available for enterprise collaboration, for synchronization, for file sharing and synchronization. So I will start with better usability, with the features that were added to the Documents Cloud Service that are making the service easier to use. So we have now a better integration with the suite of productivity tools with Microsoft Office. We have, and actually we'll have that in a patch that will be added in a couple of weeks, a better integration with Windows 10. You will be able to see the Document Cloud Service, different folders that you are sharing in the Document Cloud Service in the preferred section of Windows Explorer. So Document Cloud Service is well integrated with Windows 10. New features were added also in the area of mobile editing. So the applications that are running on iOS platform and Android platform were updated to support mobile editing. So you can edit documents using Office tools directly from Documents Cloud Service, or when you are creating a new document on a mobile device, you can save it directly to the Documents Cloud Service. We have also new features added in the web application navigation menu. The navigation menu was changed a bit in the web application, in the Documents Cloud Service web application. Also, new features were added to the desktop synchronization tool. For the productivity, Oracle social network conversations can now be added to the shared documents and files, and we have the possibility to annotate documents and link those annotations to the conversations. And finally, for security and control, now the administrators have more control over the public links. So, for example, until now, the administrators were just able to enable or disable the public links for the Document Cloud Service. Now they have more control over that. They can, for example, enable public links just for the members, or set up in the administration section of Documents Cloud Service the initial role for a user, the initial capabilities for a public link. So you can start, for example, you can create a public link with the contributor option, or just with the viewer option. So let's check the details for each of these enhancements. So first, for desktop editing, as you probably know, Oracle Documents Cloud Service is integrated with the Microsoft Office. It is supported the 2013 version of Microsoft Office. There will be support for 2016 for Office 365 in very soon. It will be part of a patch that will be added to the release of Document Cloud Service, and you basically can use Oracle Document Cloud Service with Microsoft Office online or offline. So you can open a document from Document Cloud Service, you can save a document directly in the Document Cloud Service. You can do it when you are online, like I said. The document that you are saving in the Document Cloud Service, it's automatically saved in the cloud, or if you are online through the desktop synchronization tool, as soon as you get online, that document, that modified document, will be synchronized with the Document Cloud Service. We have also a set of features that were added together with this, in part of this integration. For example, we have actually two ways to integrate with work with Document Cloud Service from Microsoft Office. You have directly in the primary interface of the Document Cloud Service, you have this radial menu that you can use, for example, to check the status of the file, if it's synchronized, if the current version of the document is synchronized with the online version. You can also open it directly from this radial menu, the document in the browser. You can share it directly from here. You can reserve it. You can see when a document has been reserved by somebody else. You can see information about the document very easy directly from this radial menu. Also, there is a backstage menu for the Oracle documents available in Microsoft Office, actually in all the applications that are part of the Microsoft Office suite. So you have this backstage menu with the same options. So you can share a document with other users. You can reserve a document. You can attach conversations to a document, Oracle Social Network conversations. You can check different properties of the document. You can open the document in the web browser. You can open it in preview mode. So you have, like I said, all the features available in the web interface directly in the Oracle Office suite, in the Microsoft Office suite. Also in the Windows 10, there will be better integration with the Document Cloud Service. You will be able to see, as you see, for example, network places, you will see the Oracle Documents account. Oracle Documents account is under the, it will be again provided in a later patch, and you will see the Oracle Documents under the quick access, which lists the favorite or frequently accessed locations. You will be able to see your Oracle Documents account with all the folders and all the shared folders. So you will be able to just drop a document there, and automatically it will be synchronized with your Oracle Documents Cloud Service account. In the area of mobile application, for the mobile applications, we have new features added to the mobile versions of the Document Cloud Service. I'm talking here about the iOS version of the Oracle Documents application and the Android version of the Documents application. So you are able now, like I said before, to open a document directly from Documents Cloud Service, modify it in an application, edit a Word document, or modify a PowerPoint presentation, and save it directly in the Document Cloud Service. You will not have to go to the application, to the Oracle Documents application again. So we have implemented the iOS document provider specification. So it enhances existing applications like the Office suite on iOS to work. It enhances the Office suite to work directly with the Oracle Documents Cloud Service. The same for Android. So it's supporting Android Storage Access Framework. Oracle Documents Cloud Service is supporting this framework, so you can work directly in Office applications on your mobile device, on your mobile phone, on your tablet, and you can save a copy directly in the Oracle Documents, share it with other user, and you can do all these actions in place. For the desktop synchronization tool, a couple of new features were added. We are supporting for a couple of versions now, multiple accounts. What was added in the release 5, in the latest version of the Oracle Documents Cloud Service, was a new first login experience. So as you probably know, when you are starting the desktop synchronization tool, you have to choose what folders are going to be synchronized. So by default, it's not synchronizing any folder. So you will have to choose what folders do you want to synchronize. And this was added to the welcome tour, to the first login experience. So you have this interface at the end of the welcome tour when you are selecting what folders do you want to synchronize with the local machine. So you can choose directly what files do you want to have when you are going offline. In the web application, in the Oracle Documents Cloud Service web application, a couple of things were changed. So the navigation menu was completely changed. This was also provided. This was the navigation menu was changed also to accommodate the new Sites Cloud Service. This is going to be integrated. This is going to be tightly integrated with Oracle Documents Cloud Service, and you will see when the Sites Cloud Service will be released in a couple of days that together with the documents features, documents interface, you will have the Sites Cloud Service interface, and you can switch very easily between the two of between those two services, between those two interfaces. So basically, what you have now in the Document Cloud Service application, there is the left-hand navigation bar where you can access all the files. You have access to the conversations that you created for a file, for a folders. You can, like I said, integrate Documents Cloud Service with the Oracle Social Network, and you can attach a conversation to a folder. You have access to all those conversations directly in the navigation UI in the navigation bar. Also, you can access the favorites, folders, and trash, and so on. Like I said, together with the Document Cloud Service in the navigation bar, you will see the menus, the components of the Sites Cloud Service. In the web UI, also the right contextual window was changed. Beside help button that was already available, we have additional buttons, so we can see informations, we can get detailed information about the item currently selected. For example, if it's a folder, if it's a file, we can see different information when was created for a folder, what it contains, the files, subfolders, and so on, when it was updated and by who was updated, and you can see also users who have the rights to access that folder, and also you can directly share it with other users from that contextual navigation window. There is another button, the second one from the top, that allows you to create a conversation, an OSN conversation, starting with the folder, and of course access to the menu. Access to the help informations in the menu. You have a button that allows you to access the documentation for the Document Cloud Service. You can access their documents, help pages, or short movies that are explaining different actions that you can perform in the Oracle Documents Cloud Service. The OSN integration, the Oracle Social Network integration, like I said, it will be available quite soon. You will be able to attach to a folder a conversation, an OSN conversation. You will be able to attach a conversation also to a file, and you will be able to access these conversations from different places. You saw in the radial menu in the Microsoft Office that we have a section that allows you to access the conversations for that item. You have also the option to access the conversation attached to a folder, to a file, directly from the web application, from the UI. So in this example, we have an example when a conversation was attached to a folder, and I will show you in the next demonstration how you can do that. Another feature that will be added soon is the annotation. Capability. So basically, you can annotate a document, and those annotations are going to be available as a post in a conversation. It will be available all in the web UI. It's a feature that is added to the viewer, available in the web UI for Documents Cloud Service. For the administrator, we have another set of features available in the administration console. Probably the most important is the control over the public links. As you probably know, public links were considered by many administrators as a security, how shall I call it, um, as a security violation. Allowing users to create public link was weakening the security of the system. So now the administrators have the possibility to disable completely the public links for files and folders. Actually, they can turn off this feature, so users of the system can no longer create public links for files and folders. Also, they can control who can create those public links. They also generate notifications when users are generating public links, and of course those messages could be customizable. So you can send a custom message when a public link was created, for example, to warn the user about the risks that are associated with the public links. And also, there are some features in the administration console that were already available. The maximum role, for example, for public links. So a user can just download. We can set that. We can just allow a user to download from a public link. Also, we can make a public link available for contributions, so a user can upload in a public link if we give that permission, if we set that permission for the public link. So another feature that was added also, I don't want to forget about this, is the maximum expiration time. As you probably know, we have in the public links, we have the possibility to protect those public links with a password, and also we can set an expiration time. Now in the administration console, we can set a maximum expiration time for the public links. We can configure that public links. We can configure public links to automatically expire after a number of days, after 30 days, for example, as in this image. So let me show you a couple of features that were added in the release 5. So I will switch from this from the presentation mode to the PowerPoint, and as you can see, I have this radial menu for the Documents Cloud Service already in the PowerPoint. So I can see here the status of my document. So it's synchronized. My PowerPoint presentation is synchronized with a copy that I have in the Document Cloud Service, and I can access different features of the Document Cloud Service from here. So, for example, I can see more information about the document. So it's in Romanian, but it's the name of the file, it's the description, the size, the version, the owner, when it was created, when it was last updated, and of course the antivirus check. The file is not infected. I can access directly from my Office application, from PowerPoint, the history, the access history for this file, and the number of versions. So I have this information from directly from here. If I want, I can open the document directly in the browser. So I can open the viewer. the web UI viewer for the document cloud service for my presentation. Let's close it. And of course, I have access to the sharing, so I can share this. I can share this document with. I can see who has access to this document, the members who have access to this document. And of course, I can create a member link, and of course, I can also create a public link for this document. So all of this directly from my PowerPoint, directly from my application. And of course, I don't want to forget about this. I can set a reservation for this for this file, and all the users who are trying now to access this document, who are trying to access the document using the web UI or the synchronization tool, they can see the reservation check that I added to this document. Let's unreserve this. And this is just one way in which you can access the document cloud service features from the radial menu. And I have also the option to do that from the backstage menu, when I can do the same operation, sharing, reserving properties. Conversations are not yet enabled, but are going to be enabled very, very soon. I can check the properties of the document, and I can open this document in the web interface. So this is how the integration with Microsoft Office works, and it's almost the same on the mobile devices, on the iOS and Android devices. So let me go back to the user interface. Let me show you the wrong window. Let me show you the features that were added in the web UI. I mentioned that we have a new navigation menu, and we have access to the document cloud service and to Oracle sites. The service was not released yet. It will be released very, very soon. But like I said, you will be able to access the document cloud service and the sites cloud service from the same interface. These two services are closely connected. You will be able to manage, for example, the artifacts that are making a published site, a website that you want to publish, that you want to make available online using the document cloud service tools. And like I said, in the navigation UIs, you have access to all the files, to the conversations, to the favorites, to the trash for recovering deleted items, and so on. So let's go back to the Documents Cloud service, and in the right side you see the buttons that I mentioned before in my presentation. So we have informations about the files and about folders. We can share those items with other users. So, for example, I can select a user and I can share a folder with using this contextual window. I can create member links and, of course, public links. I have all the options here. I can see the properties of the document, access history, and version history. And also I can create an OSN conversation about a document or a folder. So I can type post in my conversation. This is a conversation about test presentation. And I can post it, and I have access to all the features of OSN. I can edit it, I can delete it, I can add other users to the presentation. Actually, all the users with which I shared a folder, and if there is a conversation enabled for that folder, they automatically have access to that conversation. And again, you have access to the help menu. You can start a set of short movies that are explaining different features, that are teaching how you can perform different actions. For example, in the first the first link is showing how to download the applications, the mobile applications and the desktop applications. Okay, and I said that I want to show you the administration feature, so let me move to that to the other account. So you see that I have actually I don't have the latest version of the application. So I have only the access to this release in which I don't have more control over the public links. I can enable or disable the public links, but like I said, through a patch, new features are going to be added in the document cloud service in the administration console for managing the public links. So let's continue with the presentation. Let's talk very quickly about the updates that are available in the hybrid enterprise content management, for the hybrid enterprise content management. So what we have in this in this area, so we have users, we have partners who want, and customers who want to use all the features of the enterprise content management. For example, document capture, they want to use workflows that are available for from an enterprise content management solution like Web Center content. They want to take advantage of the security policies. They want to have a single point in which they are managing the policies regarding management of the documents, but they want also to collaborate on document, and they want to enhance that collaboration using social platform like Oracle Social Network. And Oracle Hybrid Enterprise Content Management Platform is providing just that. It's providing an integration between Oracle Web Center content and other solutions like Enterprise Capture with Oracle Documents Cloud Service, enhanced with the social collaboration provided by the Oracle Social Network. So let's see that. In how it's actually available. Basically, we are able to integrate at the UI level Oracle Document Cloud Service with Web Center content. So basically, you can work in the Web Center content user interface and share existing content with external users, with enterprise users, or with external partners. We have the option to synchronize the files using the means that are available in the Documents Cloud service, using the desktop synchronization tool, and we have the possibility in Web Center content in the interface to copy documents between the Document Cloud service and Web Center content. Actually, this integration is bringing the best of two worlds. So we have the collaborations and the synchronization that is available in Docs, and the compliance. I'm talking here about the workflow, audit, and the policies that are available in Web Center content. So basically, you can have your content stored in the Web Center content, and you can share with external users, with partners, documents that are available in Web Center content. So you can just drag a file into the Documents Cloud Service account, create a public link for that for that file, and share that public link securely with an external partner. The same kind of integration is available for enterprise capture. So you don't need to install Web Center content to work with enterprise capture. You can capture documents, for example, documents that are coming from an email or scanned image directly into the Documents Cloud service. So you don't need Web Center content, or you don't need an imaging server. You can directly save the documents in the Document Cloud service, and you have access to all the features of the Document Cloud service. You can share the documents. You can synchronize it with local machines. You have all the features of the Document Cloud service. And finally, a couple of words about the new features that were added to the development platform. So we have already a rich set of REST services. We have a rich API available to work with Documents Cloud service. So for example, our REST services allows us to create folders, to upload documents in those folders, to delete files, delete folders, copy files between different folders, move folders around. So we already have a rich set of services, of REST services available. We enhanced those services in the release 5 with new services. We added, for example, a set of services that are dealing with public links. Now we can create a public link using the REST API. We have now REST services for document reservations. So we can create a document reservation. We can place a reservation on a document using the REST API. We modify the REST services that are handling files and folders to bring more properties, and also we added the capability of renditions, so we can create renditions like we are doing in the web UI. When we are viewing a document, we can create different types of renditions. You will see that a bit later, using REST APIs, using REST services, and also for integrating with other applications, we enhance the app links. A feature, a set of services that allows you to access a file or a folder in behalf of another user. You will see that a bit later. So let's see in detail what new features were added. So you can create public links, as you saw in the web UI, to access a document, a file, or a folder as an authenticated user. So what is provided by the public link? A public link is generating a URL that can be shared to access a file or a folder. So we have this REST API, this REST service that allows us to create public links, to access the existing public links on files and folders. So we have this public link service that is using the HTTP post method. So this is creating a public link on a folder identified by the folder GUID, generated unique ID for that folder. You can also create a public link for a file, and also you can edit an existing public link. For example, you can set different security properties. You can also get a list of public links. You can get a list of public links that are available for folders. You can get a list of public links that are available for files, and different informations about a public link, for example, the expiration time, the owner, and the role. That was for the public links. Now for the document properties, we can get more information about a file. For example, we can get now the MIME type of the file. If the file has reservation placed, we can see who placed the reservation on that file, and also we can check the reservation time when that reservation was created. And also a very cool feature that was added, the possibility to create renditions, basically images that are images of the documents. So the technology outside in used in the viewer is available through a REST service, and we can generate images for the files that we have in our document account. So we can generate an image for a normal representation of the file, or we can generate thumbnails for specific files. And also we can control how many pages do we want to generate. So for a long document, we can choose to generate only renditions for the first pages, or different other informations. We have the possibility to set different parameters to control the rendition in the request, or as URL parameters for the REST call. So rendition, new feature available in the development platform. And also we have an API available for reservations. So instead of placing reservations on files using the interface, using the web UI or the desktop tool or any other mobile application, we have now the possibility to generate reservations, to place reservations using REST API. So we can reserve a document, or we can unreserve a document. The API URL must contain the unique ID of the file that we want to reserve or unreserve. So this is the URL for the REST call. Another set of features were added in the app link. So for those of you who are not familiar with the app link service, app link actually allows you to integrate document cloud service with different applications. So what an app link call does actually allows users, unauthenticated user, to access a document or a folder in behalf of another user. So when I'm making an app link call, actually I'm specifying the file that I want to expose, or the folder that I want to expose through app link. the users that I want to use for accessing that folder, and the roles of the users that are going to access that folder through AppLink. What I'm getting a URL back and a set of tokens for accessing that folder, that document, and and another token for extending the time period for which I'm allowed to access that folder for 24 hours. So the first token that I'm receiving will allow me to access that folder for 15 minutes. The extension token allow me to access for up to 24 hours that folder. So basically, these are the elements that are returned by an uplink call: the URL for that folder and the security tokens. Once I have that URL for that folder, I can use it, for example, in an iframe, in another application, in a business application, for example, and users of that application can access now that folder. They can view that file. So basically, this is what AppLink service is doing. And like I said, this service was the main integration method used for integrating Document Cloud Service with different other business applications. Now, in the release 5, we have new enhancements in the uplink. So, for example, in the uplink, I can provide multiple parameters beside the user and the user role. I can specify the time zone. I can specify the locale for the generated widget, because basically a widget is what the AppLink is generating, is returning. And also, I have the possibility to handle duplicate files. So, for example, when the user wants to upload in a AppLink share folder, I can choose what to do with the files that have duplicated names or folders. So I can copy. I can create a new revision of the existing file. I can create a new file with a timestamp suffix, and for duplicate folders, I can create a suffix with a sequence number, or a suffix with a timestamp that is identifying that newly created item, file, or folder as uploaded through the uplink widget. So these were added to these were the features added to the REST services. Kevin, do you want to say anything about Sites Cloud Service? It will be available soon, and you saw a glimpse of the interface of the Sites Cloud Service when I showed you the new features that are available in Documents Cloud Service.
Okay, thanks, Flavius. Can you click on the next slide, please? Yeah, okay, great. So I was expecting, one back, please. So we were expecting that Site Cloud is going to be available once the OpenWorld has finished. We are waiting for that. In fact, we're expecting the GA, general available sometime end of this month, very soon anyway. So unfortunately, because it's not GA, we won't be able to cover in this session to talk about Site Cloud. As you can see from the demonstration from Flavius, there are links already. It is available internally. It's just that for the external part, it's going to be announced very soon, as I said before. And same thing with the social network cloud services. The social is also integrated with document. So There are a lot of update, a lot of information is coming down after OpenWorld. Just capturing the summary, what Flavius just presented, with the new functionality from docs, there's going to be a REST interface. This is quite important if you are working in a hybrid environment. So let's say you have an application, you want to integrate that with docs. Let's say you have invoice, you might have photos or documents that you want to integrate with your existing application. And you can do that now with this the link available. And you can also extend those through iframe as well, the app link, as Flavius mentioned. So there are a lot of opportunities that you can upsell docs integrated with SiteCloud and social network. And I also capture that integrating with the Oracle Document Cloud and the Microsoft Office. So the radio button is very easy to use if you are working with Microsoft Office suite, that you can use this radio button to start any document or anything really with PowerPoint, Excel spreadsheet. You can go directly to access the document cloud services. And more importantly, that the public link is available with expired date. This is also new, so that you can open up the document cloud to share the document with your employees, with your customers, as well as your agency. But given the fact that there's expired date, so it is never ending, like it is opened all the time, so it is a default. Certain expiry dates is built in. So this is also some of the key features that you can sell. And one of the things that, although Flavius mentioned, the hybrid integration between your on-prem document or enterprise document management and docs from the document cloud services. This is also a upsell opportunity and extension some of your existing enterprise content management. It does not have to be Oracle Enterprise Content Management, right? We have some partners already built in using the SkyLink, which is available, that you can move and synchronize not only on enterprise content management, but also some of the let's say storage. I mean, we have a lot of customers have integrated with their desktop, let's say X drive or Y drive, Z drive, right? And they save a lot of documents. And more often, our customers and their employees are working offline, working outside of the office, which means working from home, working at customers. So they can extend using some of this capability, but without losing the existing their storage. Let's say X drive, Y drive. They just have another, let's say, lookalike drive by accessing the internet. So there's a lot of things that we can cover with the docs site. So what we call the collaboration cloud services. So, okay, Flavius, can you click on the link for me, please? Another one. Okay, the summary. So just get back to summary on this coverage of integrated cloud platform. As I mentioned at the beginning, there's going to be a lot of components coming out. So at the moment, there are about 28 available. By the end of this fiscal year, which is May, we will have 33 PaaS components available for our customers and partners. So you can imagine that the PaaS product stack is getting very rich in different area. You can see there's 8 major components we are announcing here. So you can imagine that there's tons of opportunities of partners. Next slide, please, Flavius. So just to emphasize, there are 8 different themes we see. First of all, I started from the top to top left to the right is extending some of the SaaS to support unique requirement. So you can use different components like document link, or maybe social, or maybe mobile, etc. That you can extend to SaaS, and also you can extend it with the mobile connectivity offline and online. So you can do that too. Sharing the document in the cloud. This is one of the major thing, and we see in that in the EMEA is the maturity of the document cloud is getting very rich, and we are getting a lot of customers buying it. And besides, uh, we are seeing that the install base of the customers are buying document cloud services are relatively lower. So we're not talking a number of enterprise customers are buying that, although we are seeing that in the pipeline. But at the moment, we're seeing that line of business or smaller company between 10 to 100 users are buying these services to adopt and share the document with their customers. And there's a very low entry using the document cloud, but we will see that the hockey stick going forward as people seeing more mature, integrating with their security. So that is also another great area to explore. And one of the things that we see low-hanging fruit is our customers actually using a lot of public storage, like Dropbox, like Google Drive, like iCloud, and a lot of that. Well, our customers have been in discussion is that these are the things that is great for public services, but it is also a risk. It is not integrated with the security. It is out of their control. They are very open. There is no kind of security at the back that integrate with your applications. So there's a lot of risks. Given the fact that Oracle are providing the enterprise solution that provides the integration, security, mobile capability, and so there's a lot of things that you can discuss with your customer how to integrate their document with Oracle Document Cloud Services. And then extending that, you can have a BI cloud extended to the BI analytic. Integration hybrid cloud management is also important because at the end of the day, you might have a document. You want to create a integration with your application, with your backend, with your front office, like a mobile. How do you want to connect your document to a mobile? So these are the integration services that you can extend with Oracle PaaS. Having said that, with the social, there's a lot of big data in the cloud. So how do you want to analyze some of the big data social that you might want to capture with your document? Because documents are very free format. How you want to integrate big data with your document cloud or integration cloud, etc. So this is a big analysis that you want to do to see how often, maybe, for example, people are visiting your website. Which particular link they are looking at, in what time, in what location. So you might have a different types of big data analysis by looking at the log files, by looking at the where they click, which are the most visited website or product they're looking at. So there's tons of things that you can explore by the big data. So moving to the production workload in cloud, so obviously you can scale. And last but not least, we are seeing that a lot of our customers and partners are adopting development cloud. So that means instead of removing the production, say that, well, I'm spending a lot of time and money building a development environment or testing environment. So why don't we leverage that into the development cloud or test cloud? So they don't need to buy any extra hardware, software to test and develop their software. At the same time, they can move the production environment back to the data center, so there's no change. Next slide, please, Flavius. So we're working with a number of partners. I know we are a little bit out of time. Just 2 more minutes, then I'm done, and then we can open for questions. So for Oracle, we're opening the cloud marketplace to our partners. So we are extending a lot of services or solution to accelerate our customers to adopt Oracle PaaS. So if you're interested to build services and solution, let us know. We are very keen to discuss with you. And the services and cloud marketplace is growing rapidly. Next slide, please. So in terms of support, there are tons of people in Oracle. You can contact your local partner manager to gain access to, for example, document cloud services or any other PaaS services that you would like to. So for myself, I'm very much focusing on working with partners to build solutions and services. I also work with my colleague, Stefan Pocher, who is responsible for PaaS and infrastructure service program in EMEA, and Jürgen Gress is the Future Middleware and the Future Cloud Adoption Manager. So his community is very large. I think last time I've looked at it, he has about 5,000 participants or are registered to his community. So I very much encourage you to sign up for the community so you can get hold of a lot of announcements, workshops, and presentations. Next slide, please. Flavius, can you put next line? Okay, so just to repeat, this is a series of webcasts. The next one will be on Thursday to cover the PaaS and SaaS working together. This webcast will be recorded and the presentation will be shared with you. So once we have the link available, and we will upload all the content, and we will send the links to all the registered participants. So you can download the presentation and replay. Next slide, please. Okay, so we're done. We are 2 minutes over time, but let's spend a couple of minutes if there are any questions on the web or voice. So if you like to ask any question, please post your question, or maybe even ask by the open your voice. So we got Adrian, thanks for that, sending an email out to chat. So the question is, are any out-of-the-box integration with Oracle Application Cloud Services, for example, e.g. For attaching document to financial or human resource transactions, available this time? So definitely. So we have a REST interface. That means it's not only for Oracle Sales Cloud, Finance, or Human Resources. We have other partners actually using the link not only for the cloud applications, but also on-prem. So that means you can have an app link or linkage to the document cloud, even though your application is not running in the cloud. So because we are supporting REST interface, you can use that REST interface to link with your document. So for example, on the financial part, we have customers are leveraging the document cloud services to store their orders or their invoices. Once they print the invoice, they will store those invoices, images, or PDF in the document cloud services. And we actually have one customer also saying that they have a on-prem application, but in order to get some of these correspondence, they want to integrate with a link from the application to access document cloud services, so that they don't have to open another application or Windows, etc. It's all integrated into the applications. So yes, we have examples that document cloud are linked to finance, human resource, sales cloud, you name it, are available through the REST API to integrate with the application. So I hope that has answered your question, Adrian. So are there any other questions that you would like to ask or post to the chat, or if you have it with a voice, I welcome you to unmute yourself and ask the question. Okay, looks like we don't have anyone post any question to the chat. Flavius, anything you would like to add before we close the call?
page of those slides. If you have any questions, we will be happy to get an answer for you. So you have our contacts. You can get to us. We are waiting for your questions.
So on that, thank you very much. Thanks everyone to attending this call. Again, I will send an email back with the download for this presentation and the replay link, so you can share that with your colleague and also share that with your customer too. So if any questions, please send emails to us. We are happy to engage with you. Meanwhile, I wish you a nice evening, and we'll speak to you soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you.